All right. So I'm not claiming to be any paragon at digital organization, but this is my system that has been working well enough for me over the past few years. This is kind of a collection of apps and, I mean, mostly just apps, I suppose, that I've used for both work and personal life. So I'm one of the poor souls that seems that I have a Windows work laptop and everything else in my life is uh, Mac on a personal basis. So like got two different OSs, and yeah, just try to kind of categorize things, kind of yeah, based on either OS or app, and like those are the baskets. Um, so yeah, I'll start with what I got going on with the Mac side of things. To start, I mean, yeah, welcome to my desktop. Uh, I have an assortment of folders here which desperately need to be organized, and I certainly plan to and intend to. And yeah, it was one of those like now or never things I happened to find. Uh, I wanted to do it last winter, but never got around to it. So here we are. But what I really like is using apps that are handoffable between all of my devices, be it my Windows laptop or my Mac laptop or my phone. And what I've used for a number of years is this app called Drafts. And this is just kind of, this is my main, like, this is my personal shit I want to do or look into, or random thoughts I have, or random notes I need to take. It all goes here and all lives here. So, like, I have my want versus need. It's more or less a grocery list. Shit to do. And I just check things off, and yeah, fucking class action. Nice. Real high class, Nick. But yeah, house projects. I just moved into a new house. Like, this is all the shit I gotta do. All the things I want to sell. This is the first list. That's the second list. And then yeah, actually just like random notes. And this is kind of a weird crossover. Like I really like the journal app on the iPhone. And I prefer to use that for just like random trains of thought or things I want to like discuss in therapy or journal about or what have you. But sometimes it bleeds over into here. I actually have a lot of like my Instagram post drafts in this page or in this app specifically. Um, and yeah, I also make like lock screen covers with this app. It's kind of cool. It's simple. Like this app is just very bare bones, very simple, but like I like it and it makes sense to me. So yeah, I just choose to stick through it. And yeah, occasionally, oftentimes it's plane rides or whenever I just kind of have some weird long lull where it's like, okay, I got nothing to do but just like fuck off on my phone. I'll tend to go through these notes and just kind of clean things up because I'm really bad about like doing that on the fly. I'm good about inputting information on the fly, but I'm really terrible about cleaning up. So this is yeah what I utilize most, and it's super nice because the handoff between the laptop and the phone is like very seamless. I mostly use this on the phone, frankly, but it's kind of nice like just to pull up on the desktop if I'm needing to yeah look up something. Um, I do utilize the Notes app. I tend to find or put kind of more of my critical information in here for better or worse. But again, yeah, it's like I like kind of parsing these things out. So it's like, okay, critical information I can find in the Notes app. All my other shit I can find in Drafts. The Reminders app, I don't know. I guess if I want to remind myself, I'll do something there too. Um, so yeah, this goes deeper too. As far as like, I use Safari for my personal browser, and that pulls up, yeah, I mean, this is just my personal stuff. My personal life is all in Safari. And then I use Chrome for work. And yeah, with that, I have, yeah, my customized toolbar, all my stuff I need for work. And then this is actually an app I use for note tracking at work. Again, I'm not saying it's the greatest, but like it seems to be working and working well enough. And yeah, it's nice. There's handoff. Like I can pull this up. It's web based, so I can pull this up. It's an app, so if I think of something on the phone, I can put it in on the phone. But yeah, so this is work for me. So like these are immediate task items. These are kind of more important things for me to reference. One thing that I don't, you can organize it. This is all, just organized in order of creation, where drafts is interesting, where if I make a change, that goes to the top. So your most frequently used notes are, just pulled to the top, where that's not the case in Google Keep. But you can kind of drag and drop things. But yeah, it's like I got a lot of different like projects for work and a lot of different thoughts and questions. So this is just a good way for me to just like expunge everything and just like, oh, I need to just make this note so I can reference it later. Honestly, a lot of this is just questions that I look into, questions, grievances, notes that I'm gonna have to like put into a report. It's pretty much every crucial piece of information that I'm either wondering about or have found in regard to work. So yeah, I think that's really about it. Yeah, I'm actually pretty stoked about looking at other videos and just seeing what else is out there. Because if I admit, like, it seems like Notion is very heavily utilized, and I don't really know anything about it. I also feel like Godsy's Dharma Journal has like just imprinted itself in it, and now it's just like kind of locked in that sort of configuration, and I'm just like, I don't know. But I'm also like very black and white, where I know Notion is a lot more colorful, and that's like why I like this. It's super black and white and super simple. The same thing with this, like literally black and white and simple. It's but anyway, that's kind of how I like to do things. And track my projects via personal work, all that. I'm rambling now, so thank you for watching.